Working with Adobe XD designs and have an AXPREVIEW file. These contain design previews from Adobe's UX/UI design platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Adobe XD preview files. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor AXPREVIEW corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. XPreview files are preview files used by Adobe XD, the user experience and interface design application containing rendered preview images of XD design files. They support quick visual identification and thumbnail generation in design management workflows. XPreview files use Adobe's proprietary preview format containing rasterized preview images with associated metadata and references to source XD files, following Adobe XD's specification for design preview generation and management within the application. The ideal software for creation and opening of AXPreview is Adobe XD from Adobe. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows cannot handle the interactive or layered nature of design files, so editing requires specialized tools. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your AXPreview file and select Open With. Use Adobe XD if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. If the AXPreview file still will not open, there is no need to stress. You're dealing with a truly tricky AXPreview file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, letting Adobe XD use. AXPreview. Preview files are generated and managed automatically by Adobe XD and should not be modified manually. The application uses these files for thumbnail display and quick preview functions in file browsers and Adobe Creative Cloud integration, without user intervention required. Next, viewing source XD files. Open the source XD file in Adobe XD rather than the AXPreview directly. The full XD file provides complete design access with editing capabilities, while AXPreview only contains thumbnail quality preview imagery, insufficient for actual design work or detailed review. Finally, examining as image. Try opening AXPreview files in image viewers like IrfanView, XNView, or Adobe Bridge. If the format wraps standard image data, these viewers may display the preview content, enabling visual review of XD design contents without requiring Adobe XD installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.